The cryptocurrency space is looking fantastic today. And we've got some good news, we've got some bad news floating around out there, but we've got some news that's specifically going to affect Ethereum ETFs, which are going to lead to Shiba Inu coin ETFs. Guys, I don't know where you are in your beliefs right now as to whether or not Shiba Inu coin will one day have an ETF, but I truly believe that it will. I don't know if it's going to be its own specific ETF. I don't know if it's ever going to be able to garner enough attention and volume to have its own ETF out there. But I do believe that the cryptocurrency industry will one day be very similar to the stock market, in the sense that you can have sectors within each industry for ETFs so that you can specifically invest in, say, gaming tokens, meme tokens, I don't know, DeFi exchange tokens, and so on. So let's discuss what the SEC is saying about Ethereum ETFs, and it sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch, grabbing your favorite SHIB merch. Literally grabbing anything off of Amazon burns Shiba Inu coin. So make sure to check out those links down there. If you don't want the bro merch or the SHIB merch, just scroll up to the top of the page, search whatever you want on Amazon. It's going to generate a commission, and that commission is used towards burning Shiba Inu coin. So please help out the community. Share that link with everybody you know. Share it with people you don't know, and make sure to leverage it as much as possible. Now, guys, listen to these numbers, and I hope they are wildly higher by the time you guys are watching this video. If not, it's okay. 910 points per coin on SHIB. Ethereum, 2268. Bitcoin, about $41,600 per coin. And rising. All of these coins are rising today. Now, it is very interesting that these coins are rising because we just got news over the last 24 hours that the SEC has delayed their decision timeline for BlackRock's proposed spot Ethereum ETF until March. Now, we're going to go through this article in a second here, but if this is seen as good news, because the crypto market is either reacting to some positive information out there, or the crypto market is simply bouncing off some support levels and beginning to move higher as the bulls test their limits once again. So whether this move in crypto is a technical move, or whether it's news-based and essentially fundamental move, that's always to be seen, and that's always to be debated. But what we've got right now driving decisions in the crypto space is the SEC delaying its decision for decision timeline for BlackRock's proposed spot Ethereum ETF until March. It says the Securities and Exchange Commission delayed its decision timeline on BlackRock's proposal for a spot Ethereum, not the Bitcoin. Those have already been approved. Ethereum exchange-traded fund until March, according to a filing. The Commission finds it appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule change so that it has sufficient time to consider the proposed rule change and the issues raised therein, according to Wednesday's filing. The SEC will now face a March 10th deadline to approve, disapprove, or institute additional proceedings on the proposed fund. BlackRock filed for its spot Ethereum ETF called the iShares Ethereum Trust in November. Fidelity's application for the Fidelity Ethereum Fund was also delayed, according to a filing posted last week. Bloomberg Intelligence ETF analyst James Seifert said delays for spot Ethereum ETF proposals will likely continue. Spot Ethereum ETF delays will continue to happen sporadically over the next few months. Next date that matters is May 23rd, Cypher said on Wednesday in an X post. Now it says, will there be a Spot Ether ETF? Let's talk about this real quick and then talk about what it'll mean for a Spot Shiba Inu coin ETF. Crypto experts have been both optimistic and pessimistic that a Spot Ether ETF is on the horizon, and something in approval from the SEC could come as early as May, following the approval of the Bitcoin ETFs earlier this month. SEC Chair Gary Gensler threw some cold water on the idea of other crypto-linked exchange-traded products. As I said 2 weeks ago, that which we did with regard to Bitcoin exchange-traded products is cabined to this one commodity, non-security, and shouldn't be read as anything other than that, Gary Gensler said during a media briefing earlier on Wednesday. Well, of course, man. Of course, Gary. You're not going to shed any light on anything else. You don't want anybody loading up on these crypto assets, knowing that ETFs are inevitable. I mean, think about it, guys. If these institutions will stand to make billions of dollars off of these ETFs because of their trading fees, it's just a matter of time before they get approved. I mean, answer the question for yourself, right? Do you think that the mafia leader Gary Gensler and all of Wall Street out there is simply going to pass up the opportunity to make billions and one day trillions of dollars on these ETFs? Do you think that they are going to allow themselves the $1 trillion slip to protect you and I? No, absolutely not. They're not going to do that. It's just a matter of time, guys. They got to get all their ducks in a row. They got to load their bags first. They got to make sure that they get the fees, that they become in charge, and that they have everything ready and in place so that they come out victorious in the entire matter. Not so you and I, not so the retail investors come out victorious. With the approval of the Bitcoin ETF, it is just a matter of time until other cryptocurrency ETFs will be approved. Once the Ethereum ETF is approved, it's going to unlock the door for Ethereum tokens to see their approval. Now, I truly don't believe that Shiba Inu coin is going to get its own ETF anytime soon. But I absolutely do believe it can be combined into a sector, meme coin sector, layer 2 Shibarium sector, whatever you want to call that sector. I believe that you can combine those separate cryptocurrencies into one ETF so that it has the requisite volume, it has the requisite sort of demand so that these institutions can profit billions of dollars off of it. And of course, retail investors who get in early can also profit millions, if not billions of dollars as well. Let me know what you guys think about this Ethereum ETF news, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.